Let's make these super flavorful quail legs. Let's start by beating up some garlic, make it salty, and turn it into a paste. In a bowl with these cuties, add some yogurt, your salty garlic, black pepper, and some dried rosemary. Quick shiatsu, drizzle some honey, and more shiatsu. Preheat your grill or BlackStone on high. Go in with some butter. Line up your army of these baby legs. Close the lid and let them cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. After you flip and repeat the process, give them a quick toss, and your babies are ready.